With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, on a certain sum of money, the difference between the compound interest for a year payable half yearly and the simple interest for a year is 180 rupees. Find the sum lent out if the rate of interest in both the cases is 10% per annum. Now first we let sum of money, this will be equal to 100 rupees. Now rate of interest 10% per annum. Now simple interest for 1 year. This will be equal to P into R into T by 100. Time is 1 year. So this will be equal to 100 into R, 10 into time is 1 year by 100. So this will be equal to 10 rupees. 10 rupees is the compound simple interest for first year. Now compound interest payable at every 6 months. So rate of interest will be equal to, this will be equal to half. So this will be equal to 5% if compound interest payable every 6 months. So rate of interest will be half. Now compound interest for 6 months, this will be equal to compound interest for first 6 months and simple interest both are same. So this will be P into R into T by 100. This will be equal to 100 into rate of interest 5, time is 1 half year by 100. So this will be equal to 100 and 100 cancel out. This is equal to 5 rupees. Now amount after 6 months. This will be equal to 100. Compound interest is that amount if we add simple interest every year or every half year. So this will be equal to 105. Now compound interest for 1 month, 1 year, this will be equal to 105 into rate of interest 5 into 1 half year by 100. So this will be equal to 5 into 5, 25, 2. This is 5 by 100. So this will be equal to 5.25. Now total compound interest for 1 year. First 6 months will be equal to 5 rupees and next 6 months will be equal to 5.25 rupees. So this will be equal to 10.25. Now difference between compound interest and simple interest for 1 year. This will be equal to 10.25 minus 10. Simple interest will be equal to 10. So this is 0.25 rupees. Now if difference is 0.25 rupees, then sum is equal to 100 rupees. If difference is 1 rupees, then sum is 100 by 0.25. If difference is 180 rupees, then sum will be equal to 100 by 0.25 into 180. So this will be equal to b divided by 100. If we delete two decimal places, so this will be equal to now 25 divided by 100 4 times. This is 18 into 4, 72 0 0 0. Amount will be 72,000 rupees. This is our answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut App today.